Wow, this chicken is looking absolutely tantalizing. Fish and chicken. Hey, Orokodo Hilda's kitchen. Oh, bojido ankasa ankasa. Se epede inhu mbra me see me chill chicken ya waya kondo ya. Inhu nzame won who very crunchy and crispy outsider and the soft inside within the system now. Charlie, don't skip through the video because it's going to be powerful. Very simple. Within, as I always say, within 30 minutes this chicken is ready, trust me, no jokes at all. Orokodo Mom Bonjil, and thank you so much for your time, thank you for everything. I hope you can share after watching. It's as simple as ABCD. Yes, thank you. And again, if you want beef papa, beef in them, yeah, shit up. If you want jollof rice, watch it, meat pie polo, wherever you are in the UK, kindly call Hilda's Kitchen on 0799099757. No more one data. I love you for loving me the way I am. God bless you. Wow, how do you see it? Isn't it beautiful? Amazingly wonderful. Papa, Sapiens Ban Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. It can even be good night wherever you are and wherever you find yourself. This is Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. I hope you are doing very well. Another day, another banging stuff. Yes, Orokodo. As you can see, I've got some chicken thighs and chicken drums over here. What am I coming to do with it? Stay tuned and don't skip through the video because Orokodo Mombonjido. Again, if today is your first time, kindly give us a thumbs up, share the video, leave your nice comments, especially the youth. One share, no one Mombonjido data. Somebody called me and she was Auntie Hilda. I love you so much because your recipes are so simple and easy to make. And so that's right. So I am coming to steam my chicken drums and chicken thighs. I've got some cloves of onion here, garlics over here. I have rosemary. It's fresh, but because of the weather, it looks like wulu wulu wala wala. But at the end of the day, I've washed it very nicely, and I'm going to use. I've got two onions over there and a piece of ginger. So don't skip through the video. The end is going to surprise you. Again, if you want beef, papebia, the beef nam, beef nam. Call Hilda's Kitchen on 0799099757 and share for us. So here we go with our blend. Yes, I just added tiny bit of water, not too much, because in pedoka shishim papibi. Orokodo. I have also got Cajun seasoning shaker. It's shake rough. Over here you can see all the ingredients that you can find in. Sometimes if you find something like that, it's very good. You know, it's obwa ama amfa a lot of things but if you got it that is already mixed, fantastic. You can use this for your kelewele, but be careful because it contains salts. Or set I say Cajun shaker or shake rough. I'm going to add some of this. Got some pepper flakes in it, and it contains salts as well, so I won't add any more salts to the chicken. I have some curry powder over here. I got it from Aldi, my best shopping place. I'm going to add some to it as well. Curry powder, very nice. Yes, orokodo. I'm going to mix everything together very nicely and cover it so it can cook gently. Yeah, gently cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and bam, it's ready. And I am going to fry it as I've told you. Don't skip through the video because Charlie or Bob do please one papa or rock. I'm cooking it on a very medium heat. Yes, cover it for net heat, you know. On give me that. So family, back again. I'm so excited. I just had a call from one of my customers from Instagram, and she was just encouraging me to do what I'm doing. So I'm coming to do what I'm doing. Thank you. As you can see, our chicken drums and thighs are ready. Yes, ready to go. I'm just trying to take them from the stock or and then we move on to the next section or the next step. So don't skip through the video because data. Thank you so much. Look guys, I've got stock for jollof stew or chicken stew. If I want to make chicken, I've got my stock that I can use to blend my onion and stuff. Orokodo. Look, I just finished cooking and still the cooker is still looking nice. Clean as you go is very important. Orokodo de mambanjiri data. So guys, as you can see, the meat or the chicken has drained a bit. Yes, and it has cooled down as well. So I'm going to coat it in a very simple and a very delicious, simplest way. Yeah, this is semolina. Yes, orocado. Well, in Italy we call it samu. You can use this to make cocoa for baking and stuff. You can get it some from Asda, Aldi, wherever. So I'm just trying to pour some around the chicken, right? It's as simple as that. Well, I am using this one to do it, but trust me, you can use a tray or something and then you dip them in gradually, because I've told you Hilda's kitchen, you need the little ones, baby. This is so simple. Try this and kindly thank me later. Or rokodo mombonjedo ebusia samuna na mugudu amzelian enwude me yen dam no wafe bi pa, and I just don't want the one that's dropped in the bowl to go with, so I'm just trying to trying to bring them up on top. Look how gorgeous. This is for patio. Look, na condon, just trying to fill it up. Samarian on kokra like obeye crumbs. So when you boil it around and you shake it a bit, then that means you've got the first coat, okay? And then you can now do it if you want it more around it. If you want it light too, trust me, just shake it and try to fry it. Today I'm coming to use my deep fryer. This is my big deep fryer I'm coming to use. I use the oil to fry how do I put it, Ghana chips. Yes, I fried Ghana chips the last time, and the oil is still nice, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to use to do or fry my chicken. For my oil is hot, so now I'm going to transfer the chicken, the coated chicken, samu coated. Yes, I'm going to transfer them in on the rack and then gently place them in the oil. Or don't skip through the video because it's going to be amazingly beautiful. There you go, boko. Yeah, chonana na na konda nzi just a second. They'll say for oil up to 200 degrees, right? And I'm using 160, and I'll fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, orokodo mombonjiru. If you turn it too high, it's going to burn and you won't get the main reason why I put as now you're soft inside and crunchy out. And everything's going to burn and you won't enjoy it much. Or the rest are here still waiting. I've got my tissues. That's when it's ready, and I'm going to drop them on it. Bam bam pop baby. Again, when you are using deep fryer, you can use your tongue or anything to turn the chicken or anything you are frying inside around. Yes. Sometimes you can flip them over. It depends on exactly what you are doing or what you are making. Mombonjiru data, Papabi Enterprise. Yeah. Wow, that's wonderfully beautiful. Ebusiafo, after 3 minutes, our chicken is ready. Or kodo kondo. Often won't pay in our bedding. Kondo. It is looking absolutely tantalizing. We are going to eat ours with rice. Tell me what you are going to eat with yours. Or kodo mom bonjidu data. The delicious Nkokwanam. They are here. Welcome them. The second batch. Right.
Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. American baby, Ibezizi, now wakumum out of form. Hilda's Kitchen, Hilda's Kitchen, Eziban Papa Fie, Ibeko Nasan Abba Ebezibium, baby away Ezibano, what's so, why you feel? Na is this when Rabeji, because one was saved Banupo, one we are Konokake, what's so today Zibana Casa, not saying say, on your baby and was it walking? Say Betty Pan Papa, or your Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in clean environments.
Or Yeziban Papa. Or Yeziban Papa. Asamaye. Serious. Ayo program Papa, me be one from Wahoo, when you so no one.